Hi there, today we're showcasing the Rafecs Picture Ledge Shelf, a 36-inch solid wood floating shelf set that adds style and function to any room. Made from durable solid wood, these shelves offer a larger load capacity and long-lasting use compared to other floating shelves. Their exquisite wood grain and simple, natural design seamlessly complement any home decor style. Installation is quick and easy, with all necessary hardware included so you can set them up in minutes. The classic U-shaped design not only looks elegant but also keeps your items secure from accidental slips. Perfect for the living room, bedroom, nursery, bathroom, or kitchen, these shelves help you save space while enhancing your space's beauty. Elevate your wall decor with practicality and style using the Rafecs Picture Ledge Shelf set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.